Mami Mao Akwaba and founder Ghana SMTVGH so what friend me Adwa searching.
Okudzeto Ablakwa. Utri ho sa akora bonnet ho wate. Ye na odidi atem no. Eje say NDC for ya nko school. Wona wakoka wasem. Ana media na nya no maso mu no mo ka se wo hene. Wa na wo kan se yonti se wo ya no abomande a ene bra na ba resign. Ka se wo ebia mentimi resign a wo se yan amambo ne mu ede pa. Enti ana ba bia duro no NDC for no man ko school. Enti se me resign sisi ya ye nyansani bia ede ne be hye menan e ba sa mahama amambo no obebre adna odidi atemza adai yesoma se koka wonsem oko wi onkwase wi na wo de kotena media no so na ebisa o question na wo keka wonsem wi na wo ba be defend wo ho a adna wo de fa so be didi atem ye da wase wate ye da wase ye de kosa live ko to abama wo ana ne woduru ho a wo ye minister for foreign affairs wate ye de ko to abama wo now we are some be dia time such as say yanko school enti anu ti na MPP for ye free stages amoso na muso free stages enye chese mama ye nko school ni bi na nka e ba ye nka resign ye nyanyansa ni bi de na hye wanan obeso chese party mi na open onim nyansa obetime ahwe ministry of foreign affairs na okra ba e de no aye wo de Kenya se de ba ko ye ministry of foreign affairs ya nti amo ye nsamo a enti wo gina so de die nyina ya tam say ai wo free mu aban no ho be kire no because nyansa ni bi enu ha ye de ne be hye wanan I don't know what to say.
Na de eye Christopher man you because ubenya ni bia Pentecost for obodon apostolic for oboy ensem ubenya ni a Church of Christ for chire so presby for the omunumu fam Methodist for to hymns near de frano it makes us inculcated in a way say we feel say ye Christopher and say ye Christo man but over your constitution so or say Ghana is a secular nation. Ghana a secular nation, but predominantly has a Christian or has a more Christian dominated population. That is all. Inti Sa Adieno was also one hurdler. Not Dr. Bawumia had to fight. And he fought that well. To the point, sir, we saw the true meaning pastors and men of God who actually were close to him and helping him out in his campaign and all of that. We saw that happen. So that was one thing. So Dr. Bawumia had to fight. Another thing that Dr. Bawumia had to fight, and then they said the demonization of his character started 4 years straight from 2020 to the election. Bawumia was on the chopping block for everybody. The chopping block. Until for him to even redeem himself, to be able to command a vote of that nature, no. I say MPP for Binom. I want say Dr. Bawumia performed poorly in this election. There be election now one factor crack against what to say. And the ultimate of them all, that whole tribalistic way of voting had to come in play. That whole tribalistic thing had to come in play. So Dr. Bawumia had to fight over 7 hurdles. You know what is more dangerous? He was the vice president. So whichever anger people had towards the past government was coming to him. So tell me, when somebody manages out of all these things to come up with 41% as a first timer, and you sit down and tell me that person didn't perform, then I'm sorry, you are only doing the regular type of politics, no, even penasem or your cremoni or your cremi or your tugbi or your one and pesa. That is what we are doing. And funny enough, that hasn't developed in a nation. Not that I know. Or maybe anyone has had a developer. No. Intimesre. More modern nam send about me a crew move on to Abama and let me the receipt natural. Menkawatro. Now let's get into the main reason why we came here. Dr. Bawumia, maybe I will be a shedding. Now me suru shedding wo yesumu. Unyamia wosom no dada. Eyo no beji wo. Unyamia wosom no dada. Eyo no beji wo. Why? Men suro. Men hinhin. Men mohu. Aswachi ni buse den krana de nyame aka fa wo Dr. Bawumia wo no. Eno ne bebem. Na nka wan na dwene sa akwada keto a wo saka eli park biso. Dr. Bawumia park biso ohia ni biba a woni bi adesua ahobrase enti ene yesi ye pe enkrofo ma wo mu akotu wiase amansan the people who manages the economies of people of countries big names ye po obi ni omo akokasa adenti na nkrofo we ya omunim ade ehwehwe obi man ni omo akasa because dia wo nim wo book no no wo ma ye ni na enye adwuma. Yes, tariffs, ya still are you hushy. Yaji tariffs, yajiwe, Dr. Bawumia said there be tariffs and then idea beboy. Raising tariffs no quite is not the way now, bro. For go economics for no be eating. Hey boy, or congeners how do you win? And pass up. Yaji tariffs are jiji, at the end to me, my. But say to me, Emma was supply chain. Africa supply chain. Omanka say produce most of what they consume. Then we will not even need that much of we call high. We call you see, Dr. Bawumia is a German. I don't know. Maybe me personally, me say outsiders who Ghana near ya born about so ya there. But Oba Ghana is your there because he be a oya Kenny and now ya Igbeni and now ya Nkreni. So far as say wakoye Nkreni and now Igbeni and Penasa even do say or left Ghana higher. I know, Charlie, there are more you know, any politics you. Any politics. Because I know na my ne papa you jina mechia and the on an SU say Ghana card na ye. Na say Namia Dauroma Ghana card intino ye be to me ajiska ewo Ghana. I say NDC for Nyamibi Triamoka. MPP for so a mobile bra manko to a banyanko pombe pamuson tuma. Na mususu bia ewo mutrimu bia ni Nyankopon bema se susu no apa mo ankasa mabrabom confusion bia mo pese CMPP mo no be si wo mo amasa so ani mo fie mo dining table na sa confusion ni be si ewo Yeshua HaMashiach edini maybe I do me bebo me videos na master te akasa. The Bank of Ghana governor Mobekaya Enche bia Obi said, please, who first introduced Ghana card? Ghana card was introduced by President Kufuor. If you are asking for who introduced it, why? Bush, that's your answer. Now, the Bank of Ghana governor, Mr. Siama, about 2 weeks ago, brana dollar na holding eba form na your reserves near dear a look bright no. Obe grantee interview and oma ye ni na tiase say enam gold reserves are your war intino ama your reserve no are stronger to at least 4.5 months of import cover. That is the okaya no a bit to me abuayan for that 4.5 or 4.5 months on one ekaya sana sa semna okaya na edi enijie ana say ede ahotoso bebre Ghana for say sa Bawumia gold purchasing program no okaya na ya depa na Bank of Ghana governor kraba beka say ya depa ya be kill sa story ntine yama governor no assign so abeye another press conference say Sebu ye currency ni ye niama ejina no enye gold no entina ama na yesa na unimade bi ye me wawa Anita Bia ka oka say enye gold no as governor there na waka dia a driving tia abema usidi no aye stronger epacho utie so we say I feed you one person, and please, I'm coming to show you the article so that people don't think we are lying. One person now obey your interview say gold purchasing program no. Dr. Baumia, Emma Bank of Ghana for Aqua ya no moto gold. Boy in our reserves na aboa and my currency no crash in a way no age. This is what Mr. Siama said. And there and Penufo control NDC as ya ban no beka say, hey, chairman, one kwasesa one wa Charlie position out in